in the kitchen. And today we're going to be making Sri Lankan spicy potatoes. Grab your potatoes, grab a drink, and let's get started. First, peel 3 yellow potatoes and cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Wash your potatoes with water until the water runs clear. Dry your potatoes with a kitchen towel or a paper towel. Cover them up and let them sit for 10 minutes. When they're dry, put them into a bowl or a tray to start seasoning. We'll start with 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. If this is too hot for you, you do not have to get out of the kitchen, just adjust to your taste. And coat with 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. Give this a good mix with your hands to make sure the seasoning is all incorporated evenly. Set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake your potatoes for 25 minutes. Next, you'll need 2 red onions. We're going to cut these onions up into slices. In a pan over medium-high heat, we're going to saute the onions. Instead of using oil, we'll use the moisture in the onions to caramelize them. As you dry saute these onions, you're going to want them to sit for 1 minute, and then after a minute, flip them and let them sit for another minute. After 3 minutes, your onions should start to have this beautiful brown color. Lower the heat to medium-low and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon of sugar, Next, add 4 chopped sun-dried tomatoes. This makes all the difference in balancing with the chili flakes and giving you the perfect blend of spicy and sweet. Now it's time to get your potatoes out of the oven. They'll be perfectly crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Give everything a good mix and you have a delicious side dish you can pair with almost any meal. If you recreate this at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I love to see it. And comment below what you want to see next. Make sure you give the video a big thumbs up and to click the subscription button below to see more content like this. Bye for now.